After the recent earthquakes in Turkey and Syria, tens of thousands of people trapped under the rubble started using social media platforms to call for help. They tweeted where they were trapped and even live streamed on Instagram. Although this approach resulted in the rescue of many victims, had there been a common platform for individuals to seek help during the crisis, many more could have been saved. This is where ResQme aims to be a more practical and immediate bridge between earthquake victims and rescue teams by assisting victims to request help and providing rescue teams with vital data, such as the location and condition of the victims. In ResQme, there are two modes. In user mode, victims can seek aid with one slide, sharing their precise location with rescue crews. They will also be able to loudly ring their phones so that they won't have to scream. Furthermore, they will receive practical guidance on how to improve their odds of surviving when stuck under the rubble. Users that are not stuck will also be able to help people around them and will get guidance accordingly. In search and rescue mode, rescuers will be able to see all the victims' locations and their information. This aggregated data will be used to generate a heat map of the affected areas to help the rescuers organize their efforts efficiently. After testing and getting feedback, we added new features for rescuers to check when the victim sent their location and to make the victim's phone ring. We are also working on new features like pin clustering for a better UI and user verification to combat the privacy issues. ResQme aims to strengthen the United Nations goal of sustainable cities and communities and contribute to the target 11.5. ResQme was built on top of Firebase and React Native. It uses Google Maps to handle all its map needs, and its UI is based on material designed by Google. Building this app was not an easy task. We had to learn various things like how we could create a simple UX for the victims and organizing community location data. For the next steps, we are planning to do collaborations with humanitarian foundations to show and test ResQme. After a saturated process of testing and improving, we aim to move forward to all the institutions listed and also offered in Turkey to introduce the app to users in multiple languages.